Hi, today I'm going to show you how to find area and perimeter of complex figures. Complex figures are a bit tricky because there isn't just one set formula for them. What we do is we break them down into shapes that we already know how to find the area and perimeter of. So I'm going to start with this one. This is really just a rectangle plus a triangle. So I'm going to start by finding the area of my rectangle. I know that that's just base times height. My base is 3, my height is 9. So 9 times 3 is going to give me 27. Now I need to find the area of my triangle. I'm going to flip it this way so it's a little bit easier to see. So this is just a triangle right here. My height is 4, and my base is going to be 9 because it's labeled down here and it's the same as this side right here. So this is going to be 9. So I'm going to do 4 times 9 divided by 2. 4 times 9 is 36. Divided by 2 gives me 18. So now I know that the area of this piece is 27, the area of this piece is 18. When I add them together, that gives me 45 square centimeters. For my perimeter, I am just adding all of my sides. Everything here is labeled except for this side, and I know it has to be 3 because that up there is 3. So now I'm just adding 3 plus 9 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5, and that gives me 25 centimeters. Okay, this one is a bit different. I'm going to start by finding out my missing sides here. I don't know what this long side is, but I know that it's going to be the same as this piece plus this piece. So if I add 6 plus 2, that gives me 8. So I know that that side's 8. Then I have one more missing side to find. I know this whole side here going this way is 10. And I know that when I add this piece plus this piece, it needs to give me 10. So since this is 3, this has to be 7 because 7 plus 3 is what's going to give me 10. Now I'm going to break this up into 2 rectangles. This rectangle right here is just 8 times 3, so this is 24. And this rectangle right here is just 2 times 7, so that's 14. When I add those two together, that's going to give me 38 square centimeters. Perimeter, I'm just adding all of my sides. So 3 plus 8 plus 10 plus 2 plus 7 plus 6, and that gives me 36 centimeters. One more that I'm going to show you. Okay, for this shape, I'm going to be breaking it up into a rectangle plus this other rectangle plus this triangle. This rectangle right here is just 3 by 10, so this is 30. This rectangle right here, I need to find this base. I know that this whole side right here is 10. I know this piece is 4. So this right here has to be 6 because 4 plus 6 is what's going to give me 10. Now I have enough information to find this rectangle. This part was 2, that was on the problem, and this part was 6. 2 times 6 gives me 12. And then I need to find the area of this little triangle over here. I know that the base is 2. The height is also going to be 2. That was labeled over here. And I'm going to do 2 times 2 is 4. Divided by 2 gives me 2. So when I add these 3 pieces together, 30 plus 12 plus 2, that's going to give me my area. So my area was 44 square centimeters. And then for perimeter, I'm adding all of my sides. So I would go around and add up all of these. This would be 3. And when you add all of those up, it should give you 33 centimeters. All right, I hope that helps. Thanks.